now that we are in this space of a handshake where all of us are talking and all of us are working together, I think it is correct for us to say, let us be friends and partners when the times are good. But let us also be friends and partners when the times are not so good. It will not be fair to you guys who now, we speak, all of us. Musalia speaks to the president as much as I do. Kalonzo speaks to the president as much as I do. Weta the same. Agwambo the same. So because we are now all talking together, I think it's only fair that we manage this situation together without saying it is you guys. You know we are all together. You know? So ikifika mahali mambo ikikuwa ngumu, msitutoroke ati sasa ni nyinyi, na saa ile mambo iko mzuri nyinyi mnasema tuko handshake, tuko pamoja. So let us accept that we are either we are all together or we are. So maneno ni hivyo, and I want to repeat again that this is no moment for us to say it is us versus them. This is a situation where we need to pull together